I felt like a proud mother. I'm getting ready to take off to go see one of my clients. I do freelance social media management, so I'm gonna go to his office and we're gonna shoot some content. And I was kind of like, I should bring my vlogging camera. I feel like he'd be down. I'm gonna bring you guys to work with me.
You should come skate a couple more rounds with me.
This morning at the gym, I started listening to Jenna McCurdy's Half His Age audiobook, and I am a big fan of her. I am a big fan of her previous book, I'm Glad My Mother Died. I actually purchased that book and it was such a great read. Jeanette McCurdy, the woman, the writer you are, so descriptive, so creative, as I am just so tuned in. My ETA is 3:15 and I don't have to be there until 4, so that gives me a good amount of time to head to the little cafe around the corner and get a little drink and maybe do a little bit of work. It is 5:13. Didn't record any of it, like to put on here, but I'll insert clips.
It's bowl is half honey, hot half dry lemon pepper. A large fry and a large peach tree. Wrap it up.
Because it was so fun. I had him. So I don't know if I mentioned, but I work with a medical doctor, a physician, and his office is here in Beverly Hills. And today I had him do really fun stuff, like him and then his staff. So I'm excited to post that. You guys should follow him. Today is Tuesday. Obviously I want to be consistent here on YouTube. The last video I posted, I took a 9-month hiatus, so I don't want to do that again. But I also want to be consistent with my career and job and things like that. And because I work for myself and I'm usually by myself, it's hard to focus sometimes and like be accountable. And it's helpful when I'm like recording because even though it's not a live audience, there is an audience at some point. I think I'm going to use that to my advantage and basically use you guys as an accountability partner, buddy, friend group. Lenny always gets so scared when I sneeze. Oh my god, I hope you guys didn't catch all my spit. And then he comes to me. He's staring at me right now. He's gonna come. Come check on me. Hi, Stinky. Are you worried about me? I'm okay, thank you. I'm okay. I'm okay, thank you. I'm okay, I said. I'm okay, thank you. You wanna come up? Up. Oh shit, it's okay. I feel like this outfit is dramatic. Like, girl, it's not that cold. This is what like 15 minutes of just being at the park sounds like. This guy could fetch probably all day. He can go on for as long as I'm willing to throw the ball. Like, I don't know what his limit is or if he even has a limit. I just don't ever want to push him too hard because he just won't stop and I don't want him to hurt himself. So there was a really sweet moment today. There was this older couple and the man came over and he was like, he like smiled at me and I could tell he wanted to say something and he was like, that's a really well-trained dog. And I was like, thanks. I was like, yeah, he's very obedient because he's very obedient for the most part. He was like, yeah, I'm sure you like spent a lot of time training him. And I was like, yeah. He was like, he looks really happy too. I was like, that was so kind. I felt like a proud mother of this. When he's so exhausted and out of breath like this, he reminds me of Stitch.
How?
Lilo and Stitch. I have some PR that I want to share. Some I've already opened and some I'm about to open. I got 𝦹FREE. I do have an affiliate link with them. I remember being the 𝦹FREE member when it first started and how exciting it was to every month receive a package. They included this eye cream, the Fenty Hair Instant Damage Repair Treatment. I didn't even know Fenty had a hair product. Summer Fridays Dream Lip Oil. Lastly is an eyeshadow palette, and it looks like it's all nudes. Next is from SEPHORA, new bronzers, and then they sent over a brush. This is from Glassworks London. Can't wait to try this on. It's a long sleeve, kind of ruched top that is cinched. Kind of hard to get the vision right now, but I think you can wear it rouged like at the top and also off the shoulder, which I love. And it feels really soft and comfortable. These came in today. This is Sad Eyewear sunglasses and glasses. They sent over a few pairs. They sent these here, and I haven't been able to decide whether I love them or not. I don't know, I just feel like they're not really me. I think they're cute, but the shape is just not really me. I don't know. What do you guys think? They feel really nice though. These are pretty cute. Yeah, these are very me. These are very me. Here is from Palmer's. How fun is this? Do they include a plane ticket? Very excited about this. This is from Color Science. They sent over their Total Protection Face Shield Glow tubing mascara, their Total Protection Face Shield Flex. Got a Collagen Boost face and neck treatment. This is from Merit. I was actually on their website the day before they reached out to me because I saw this bag and I saw that you could get it whenever you make a purchase. So I was about to purchase and then they reached out to me. This is like a little tie bag that you can just throw in your bag. They sent me 2 of their signature lip blushes. And they sent over a lip liner, it looks like. This packaging is so nice. This is so pretty. Never tried anything from Merit. This will be my first time, and so far they're making a really good impression. From Lancome. About this line. This is their Shine Boosting line. Oh, it smells good. There's something really nostalgic about this smell. They sent a conditioner, a shampoo, and a leave-in serum. Kind of wild. Cover, a tissue box cover. Lancome's new mascara melter. Meltdowns never felt so good. Okay. Oh, it's a mascara remover. Okay, that makes a lot more sense now. I was like, okay, and the formula looks weird. I was like, is it a serum? Is it a clear mascara? Okay. Okay, and then I'm just getting it. I'm putting it all together now. Tissues, meltdown, crying. Okay. Yeah. Well, it is. I do giveaways on my Instagram quite often, and then I might just start doing some on TikTok too, and also on here. I think it'd be nice to and give you guys the opportunity to participate in these giveaways too, because this is a different and small group of people here. I'm getting ready for my tattoo appointment and I'm kind of nervous. So I think I'm gonna get it somewhere on my stomach, either right here or on this side. I haven't decided. Either side I think would be fine. Only thing is I woke up kind of congested today, and then now my nose is kind of runny. Let's do my lip combo. This is an artist that I've been tattooed by once before. He kind of fills the gaps on my arm. He did this little cherub and then something up here, and today we're gonna do like a Doberman. I often get asked on like Instagram or TikTok what lip combo I'm wearing, and I hate that I don't often respond because I don't know. It's usually some combination of a brown liner and like a mauve color and a gloss in the center, but the brand is always switching, but it's basically the same thing. I just don't take note of the color that I'm wearing, so it's hard to respond, but I need to get better at that. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to, once I get done with my lip combo, I'm going to take a picture. That way when I get asked, I now know and I can reference. That color is Double Shot, also Mary Phillips, Cherry Cola. In the center, I'm going to use Patrick Ta's gloss in the color Milk Tea.
We're close enough.
I think I caught whatever is going around right now. When I woke up yesterday before my tattoo, I felt like something was wrong. Like I felt very congested here and like a slight headache. I just chalked it up to me gonna be starting my period and allergies potentially. But it wasn't until like the day continued that I started to feel worse. So I didn't even update you guys at the end of my appointment. Also, like my phone was on the verge of dying, ended up dying, and then my camera, my DJI, also died. Just because I was recording for the entire time of the tattoo, so it was a lot on the battery. But let me show you guys what it looks like, because I absolutely love it. It has the plastic cover on it right now. So yeah, I'm sick, but I have a sick tattoo. Surprisingly, it's funny because I've always rolled my eyes when people are like, it wasn't that bad. It actually kind of tickled, and I had never experienced that before, but this spot right here, for whatever reason I'm grateful for, was actually quite ticklish. So most of the discomfort was coming from it being ticklish, which was great, versus it being total absolute pain. I was honestly really stressed out because I'm such a little bitch, and you wouldn't believe it because I'm like pretty covered, but I was scared. I was very scared. It wasn't that bad. Even now it's like not that bad. It's not that bad at all. Okay, so I've been watching this show. This was before I even got sick, so I don't have anything to blame it on, but pretty much like 90 Day Fiancé. But these singles have been speaking to someone like way across the country and have completely fallen in love with them and are traveling to their destination to meet them for the first time in real life. This guy goes to Haiti to meet her. Mind you, he's like 47 and she's like 20. And then there's another one, this guy who is from Kansas. He goes to travel to Brazil, some like tiny town in Brazil that he has to not only fly to, but then after he's arrived at the airport has to take a boat for 3 days to get to her. I know I look ridiculous, but this helps. Addicting. This is so addicting. It's so fascinating. I wish the episodes were shorter and like the storyline just kind of went by a little faster, but they're really making these things long. Like I just thought I'd watch an episode or two, maybe 3, and I'd find out what happens, but they're stretching this shit. They're stretching it. But I'm back. So let's see what's happening. I forgot to mention that they're going to meet them for the first time in real life, but also ask them to marry. So crazy.
Koreans don't speak any English, and I don't speak any Portuguese, so we have to rely on this translator app to communicate.
Crazy. They don't even speak the same language. And he went all the way to Brazil.
I type in what I want to say.
If he wanted to, he would. I'm just kidding.
Portuguese, and vice
But really.
versa.
I'll show you guys something that is super exciting and that I never thought would be possible. Look who is on the Sephora website. It's me, you guys. It's me. I still can't believe it. I want to show you something else. Showing you guys a lot of things today. And I really want to show you guys what my fridge looks like, because this is something I got in the mail today. What a beautiful sight, right? Thank you, Riot. It's about to be 4, and I was actually supposed to have a call like an hour ago, and it was rescheduled, which is great because I'm just not, I feel okay, but I'm just not feeling my best. However, I'm finally getting up, and I'm gonna clean up a little because my vanity can use some cleaning up. It is quite messy. I've been cooped up, and by default so has Lenny, so we're gonna take a little walk around the neighborhood and see how it is. I'm curious if it's cold or not. It's pretty warm in here. I'm actually like sweating underneath here, but it's probably gonna be chillier out, so let's go find out. You excited? You excited to go for a walk? I feel like I'm in America's Next Top Model. I wanna be on top. We have a fan going. I hope it's not too loud because it is hot as fuck. I want to do a taste test with you guys. I've been doing nothing but laying horizontal today. It's been needed since I'm still feeling ill, but let's try these out. These are grapes, but they're coated in crunchy candy. Watermelon, berry blast, and citrus. Okay. I'm thinking that was the citrus flavor. That's okay. Berry blast. I like that one better. Watermelon. Okay, let's try these. These are the same, but the flavor is vintage cola. I'm recording. I'm doing a taste test. I can't tell if I like them. I do, but I don't. I rate these, I think, a 6 out of 10, and these like a 7 out of 10. Not because they're not good, just because I think I wouldn't naturally gravitate towards them. Honestly, I really like the basic classic sour ones. Like, I like the sour coating on the original grapes, and I just prefer those over these.